As we all know, our Earth consists of 71% water. But did you know that we have many types of water in this world? Despite looking similar to each other, they are actually very different in terms of composition and functions. In this video, we will discuss about tap water, ultra pure water, and distilled water.
First, ultra pure water. Ultra pure water is water that has been purified to uncommonly stringent specification and contains equal amount of H plus ions and OH minus ions. These are the uses of ultra pure water. First, manufacturing industries. The second one is pharmaceuticals, and the third one is wine glasses. To form ultra pure water, firstly is the pre-treatment stage. The pre-treatment stage is to produce purified water, and the second stage is the primary stage to further purify water, and the last stage is the polishing stage, which to obtain the ultra pure water. And these are the triangle of the purity water.
You use tap water to wash the bottle, ke?
Yes.
How many times I tell you have to use ultra pure water to wash the bottle?
Why we have to use ultra pure water?
Since tap water contains impurities, it will form scale and makes wine glass cloudy. Thus, using ultra pure water is recommended to wash wine glasses for them to last longer.
Next, another type of water that we often use in our daily life is tap water. As we know, the water in household taps comes either from surface or underground sources, like rivers, streams, lakes, reservoirs, springs, and groundwater. These sources provide water to public drinking water supplies and private wells. Tap water contains added minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Also, have you heard about hard tap water? Is it really as hard as a rock? The answer is no. Hard water is water that contains a high concentration of calcium and magnesium ions. The hardness of this water is caused by several other dissolved metals that form divalent or multivalent cations. These include aluminium, barium, strontium, and others.
From the video, we can conclude that tap water does conduct electricity since there are small amount of calcium and magnesium salts dissolved in it. This causes the ions to become loosely bound to each other, which makes tap water a good conductor of electricity.
Lastly, we have distilled water. Distilled water is a type of purified water that does not contain any impurities such as minerals and microorganisms. Since distilled water does not have any impurities, the pH value of this water is 7. And a fun fact, the water tastes bland because it does not contain any magnesium ions in it. So, where can we find distilled water? Other than natural sources, it can be created at home by boiling water and recondensing the steam into liquid. The impurities in the water will be left behind and removed from the finished water. In terms of electricity conductivity, distilled water is not a conductor since it does not contain any free-moving ions such as magnesium ion.
So, out of all three types of water, which one do you think brings the most benefit to human? What will happen if one of this water eventually ran out?